This particular video has gotten 26,000 views, and this video is just a 5 minutes 51 seconds video. So I was so shocked, and I'm amazed on how much YouTube actually paid me on this particular video. So you have to watch from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be starting my screen record. This one is not the one I need to come here and start shouting for you guys. It's just me showing you guys how it is in details, and we are good to go. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's get right into this video. So anyways, my screen record is all started. As you guys can see here, this video is just a 5 minute video that I said how to get 1,000 subscribers in less than 6 minutes. And if I click on the view more here right now, you're going to see that for the overview of this video has gotten 26,000 views, right, with 1.4K subscribers. Now let's go to the reach of this video. For the reach of this video, you can see that the impression of this particular video is 395.3K impression. And I'm so grateful for this. You can see how viewers found this video, browse features, suggested video, other YouTube features, direct or unknown, and others, Gmail, WhatsApp, Google search, which is external sites / app or app. You can see YouTube search term, Vibe with Sonia, how to get 1,000 subscribers. You can see the content suggesting this content. They are all my content, except for Chiamaka's content, and I don't know the name of this other lady as well. So those two people. And then you can see playlist featuring. Anyways, let's go to the engagement of this particular video. See the way I'm talking, because I'm just at peace, right? For the watch time, this video has gotten 918 watch time. That's beautiful. Audience retention, for every hand that click this video, watch just 2 minutes 03 seconds. It doesn't mean that people are not watching from beginning to the end, right? But these are the audience retention, which is with the highest percentage, right? Now you can see the likes versus dislikes. So let's just go to the audience of this video. Now for the audience of this video, you can see that this video has returning viewers of 12.8K, and you can see that my returning viewers is way on top of my new viewers. It is very good for you to create. That's why I always advise you guys that if you're creating content and you see that people actually love this particular kind of content you're creating, try to create those kind of content more, so that your audience can actually come back to watch, right? Now, you can see device type, mobile, computer, tablet, TV. You can see the age actually watching, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64. And you can see the gender here, male and female. You can see the top geographical locations watching this particular video. I have Nigeria, I have United States, I have Kenya. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And you can see the top subtitles and not subscribe and then subscribe. If you are watching this video, you have not subscribed, please help this beautiful damsel to subscribe. It will go a long way for me, right? Now let's go to the revenue of this particular video. For the revenue of this particular video, a video of 5 minutes with 26,000 views has made $112.39. $112.39. That's how much. Let's go to our calculator and see. Calculator, as of today, dollar is over 1,500, but let's just be fair and use 1,500. Let's times it with 112. You can see that I've made over 168,000 naira. And this video is just this month too. It's not the other videos that is in my channel. It's just for this month, right? Now this is beautiful. Now you can see how I make my money. Watch paid as super chats and the membership. Thank you so much to all super chatting and members in this channel. I do not take you guys for granted. And you can see for every 1K view of this particular video, I get to make $4.21, and of which I do not take it for granted. And you can see how much advertisers are paying. Advertisers are paying $7.58 for 56 cents for a video of 5 minutes 51 seconds. It's something to be grateful for. You can see earning by skippable, display, bomber, and non-skippable. Now let's end this. This is not telling you that you cannot make more than this. You can actually make more than this amount that I have made, and you can make less than this depending. Some persons can actually have a very long video, lengthy video with 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and the rest of that cannot even make up to this. A person can have a video that is even less than this particular minutes that I have here and can even make way more than what I have in. It is all boiled down to how much advertisers are willing to pay on each of your video. But for me, I'm so grateful because basically this is a video I just stood and talked. If you watch that video, just know that I just stood and talked. I didn't even say much in that particular video. And this video is still able to generate over 100 and something USDT. So if I don't have any video in my channel and I'm looking forward to cash out this month on YouTube, definitely this video can actually pay that bills of cashing out this month, because this video alone has earned $112 and some cents, and the threshold for YouTube is $100. You get what I'm trying to say? So you can see that YouTube is profitable, right? YouTube is profitable. And I always advise you, don't create lengthy video because you think that you'll be making more money. You understand? And at the end of the day, the lengthy video will be boring. So you can actually create a very short video that is making sense, and you can still make good money. So in everything you're doing, because I see that a lot of my students will be like, I think I need to be creating a very, very lengthy video. It is not about the length, it's about the value that each video have. So if that video have all it takes, there is no way you're not going to be achieving what you want to be achieving on YouTube, you understand? That is why no matter how long or short my video is, I just go straight, talk as I can, and then I upload my videos. The most important thing is let good advertisers place ad and I'm good to go. Anyways, if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, you don't even know how to do, you don't even know where to start, this is where Sonia personally comes into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. So for your YouTube channel to be successful, with these flyers that is displaying on the screen, you can be able to email me with this same mail attached on the flyer at faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Tell me you are interested in the coaching class. Let's get your coaching section started. I know why I'm making it me and you. I don't want another extra hand to join. That is why I want me and you to personally do this together. If you have not even built channel from scratch, you have not even started, you're still scared, can I do it, can I not do it? This is where Sonia also help you do all of that. We also build channel from scratch. We've done that before. Yours will not be different by the special grace of God. Anyways, it's raining cats and dog right now. That's why I am always in a hurry to film videos these days, so that you don't get to have issues of rain obstructing you here and there. If you have not subscribed, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Start making money, start creating content on YouTube, and trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.